Welcome to the Marbocote Fastcote demonstration. Once we've cleaned our mould and once we've sealed the mould with the Marbocote mould sealer, now we put the top coat release on. In this case we're going to use Fastcote. Fastcote is a product you would use when you want a very high gloss on the mould. This application technique is wipe on, leave on, and that basically is what it says. So with a nicely wet cloth, we simply wipe on a wet film and then we leave it to dry. It's as simple as that. Don't have your cloth dripping, but wet it up on a frequent basis. Again, as we did with the Marbocote mould sealer and the Marbocote mould cleaner, treat areas of about half a square metre at a time and try and ensure that you get a complete wet film. It's important that once the film has started to dry, you don't go over it again, otherwise we may get smearing of a curing film. So a nice wet film and leave it to dry. Important points to note when we're using the Marbocote semi-permanent range. The first thing is these products are moisture curing in atmosphere, so that when you put them on the mould, that's the cure mechanism. But we don't want them to cure in the tin, so always put the lid back on the tin as soon as you've finished decanting the material. Secondly, after you've applied a film to the mould, leave it for 15 minutes before you apply the next film, so that the film is correctly cured and we don't get any smearing of the curing film. A bit like you leave paint to dry before you put the next coat on. Finally, when you've got the mould exactly as you want, the mould cleaner, the mould sealer and the top coat have been applied, leave it at least 30 minutes before you use it.